Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wallet for women out there, the Toughergun Rfid blocking leather wallet. This compact yet luxurious wallet has been making waves, boasting a plethora of features designed to meet the needs of today's modern woman. First off, let's talk about its size. Measuring at 4.2 inches by 3.6 inches, and just 0.8 inches thick, this wallet is perfectly designed to fit into your pocket or handbag without adding any bulk. Crafted from premium waxed leather, the Toughergun wallet exudes elegance and durability. The more you use it, the better it looks and feels. But what sets this wallet apart is its advanced RFID secure technology. This means your personal information stays safe from electronic pickpocketing, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Now, let's talk about functionality. With 6 card slots, a cash slot, a zipper coin pocket, and an ID window, this wallet has everything you need to stay organized on the go. And let's not forget about presentation. The Toughergun wallet comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal gift for your loved ones. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a stylish, functional, and secure wallet, look no further than the Toughergun Rfid blocking leather wallet. With its compact size, luxurious design, and advanced security features, it's truly a game-changer. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!